Hi, cutie.
Hi.
What would you like for dinner?
I'm trying to be good, but not too good because it's a new year. Maybe something light but hearty, something familiar and homey but exotic. Something easy but kind of elegant. Do you have anything like that?
Yes. So today I'm making one of my favorite dishes, which is Tom Yum soup. It's this fresh but creamy, comforting, spicy, exciting dish that comes from Thailand. It was the first thing that I ate when I visited last year, and it's just the perfect thing for January. It's super easy, especially because I subbed some of the more traditional ingredients for ingredients that are easier to find in American grocery stores, so you're more likely to make it. All right, let's get started. Saute 1 tablespoon of soy sauce with the butter, oil, ginger, garlic, lemongrass, shallots, and shiitakes until softened. Then add in the fish sauce, another 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, the zest of 1 lime, and 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Cook together for a couple of minutes, then stir in the rest of the vinegar. 2 to 4 more tablespoons of soy sauce, the red curry paste, and the tomato paste. Combine well, then add in the shrimp and sugar. Saute for a couple of minutes until fragrant, but don't let anything burn. Stir in the zest of the 3rd lime, the coconut milk, the half and half, and the chicken stock. Top off with the handful of fresh Thai basil sprigs, then bring to a boil before lowering to a vigorous simmer. So once it's up to a boil, you just want to give it a nice stir. And then lower it down to a simmer. You just let it bubble away, stirring occasionally for about an hour and a half until it turns into this amazing, creamy, delicious soup that is just a beautiful shade of orange. Perfect. So now that it's been simmering for about an hour and a half, it's time to strain all of those solids out so that you're left with a smooth, perfect soup. So you want to get as much of the liquid separated from the solids as you can, and then it seems really wasteful to strain everything out, but you can actually hang on to it, and these mushrooms are one of the best things that you'll ever eat, so you can just go ahead and pick them out of here. And the shrimp are also delicious, but make sure that you don't eat the shell. And then actually, once you're finished with dinner, if you end up having any leftovers of the soup, you can hang on to this in the fridge. You can combine everything back with the soup so it'll chill overnight and develop extra flavor, and then just heat it all up together the next day, and then just give it another strain, and you have extra flavorful soup. So the last step before you serve is putting in the zest of 1 more lime. And I know that seems like a lot, but what we've been doing is layering the lime flavor as we go, so it's not gonna be too much. It smells so good. You can smell every single ingredient, but they come together to just make the most wonderful scent in the whole wide world. You know when you smell Tom Yum soup. The final garnishes for this soup are pretty simple. What you want to do is slice up those limes that you zested. Give it a nice little sprinkle right over the top. And then you want a little bit of fresh cilantro. And if you don't like it, you don't have to put it on. And then the final touch is just a little bit more of that fresh Thai basil. You can taste every single ingredient, especially that ginger, the spice, the lime. Ugh, everything about it is just so perfect. And best of all, it's simple, elegant, and no one has to know how easy it was.